how are you doing? And of course, welcome to your tutorial on website optimization. On this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how you can optimize your website, maybe your blog or your post for SEO. And of course, in case you don't know, SEO stands for search engine optimization, and of course, it is a term that describes how you structure your website or the content of your website in order for you to rank on a social search engine. All right. Now, in search engine, website like google.com, like bing.com, AOL, and the rest of them. And of course, we know that in the world today, of course, the most popular search engine in the world today is Google. All right. So it is very important as a website owner, maybe a web designer, or probably you are a freelancer or you are working for people. You have clients, you're managing their website. Now it is very important that you learn to optimize your website so that it can rank on Google. Very important. Also, there are two types of optimization, two types of website optimization. That is what we call the on-page optimization and the off-page optimization. Now, the on-page optimization is the optimization that you do on the website. Like, for example, you want to maybe stuff some certain keywords in your head section of your website. Okay, you want to optimize the content of your website. All right. Anything you do, any SEO practice you carry out on your website is called an on-page SEO. Then the off-page SEO or the off-page optimization are the ones that you do outside of your website. Like, let's say, for example, backlinks. Maybe you submitted your website to some website, like authority website, that are linking to your website. Bank linking is one of the ways that you can carry out off-page optimization. All right. And also probably people have mentioned you in blog, maybe as guest posts in some blogs and all of that. So these are ways. Okay, so very quickly, without wasting much time, I want to jump into my screen right now and let us look at how you can optimize your website. So we'll be demonstrating this to you with a client website that I've been working on for some time now. Is a blog. So let me click. This is the dashboard of the blog, the back end, and of course I will just load the front end on my next tab here. All right, then we go back to, this is a blog actually. So okay, good. So I'm going to go back to the dashboard. Then I need to mention this to you. First of all, before you can do this, now before Google can be able to see your website, there are some certain things you have to put in place. First of all, if you are on WordPress, now first of all you need to go to your settings. You come to your settings section, click on general. You click on general. Then once it loads, you're going to scroll down to where we have search engine or search robot, whatever. Can you see here? Okay, let's see. Oh, it's not here actually. Let's go to writing. After writing, if it's not in writing, then we go to reading. It's important we get to what you're looking for. Let's see if it's in reading. If it's not there, this is writing, I believe. Okay, it should be in reading then. So I'm looking for. Good. Yeah, that's it. So this thing, very important. You have to make sure that this is not selected. It's search engine visibility. Now you have here, discourage search engines from indexing this site. So you have to make sure this is not selected. That is number one. Then after that, there are some couple of plugins you have to use when you want to optimize your website on WordPress. One of the most popular one is called the Yoast SEO. So this is Yoast. All right. So in case you don't, you've not used this before, you don't know how to use this, you have to just install it as a plugin. You come to your WordPress plugin directory. You come to plugin, come to add new. You click on it. You click on add new. Then you come to this place. Then come here and search for Yoast. Just type Yoast SEO and wait. All right. So this is it. The first one that comes up, this is it. Is Yoast. All right. So you want to click on it. Now it's showing update because I have it already installed. All right. So if you don't have it installed, you're going to see here is install. Then that's why you are seeing install now on the other plugins. So you're going to click on install now. Then after that, once it installs, you go ahead and activate the plugin. After activation, then you should have this showing up for you. Then after that, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on general. All right, you want to click on general. This is the procedure for most site optimization. You want to click on general. Then after that, you want to click on open the configuration wizard. Okay, now this is showing open the configuration wizard again because I have already done this. So if you haven't done it, what you have to do is you should see open configuration or run configuration. All right, so you want to click on this. You want to click on, let me open to the new tab. You want to click on it, and of course there's some settings, some settings you have to do here in order to authorize your website with what's it called, with Yoast SEO. So you want to select the site. You want to specify that your site is live and ready to be indexed. All right, you want to click on that. Then after that, you want to go to the next step. All right, next step, you want to click on what does the site https://managedpage.com the ng represent. Now in this case, this will ask you what does your website represent. You want to click on what your site stands for. If it's a blog, you want to select blog. If it's an online shop, you want to select online shop. Just select your site category from this section. You want to go to number 3. Okay, then you want to select your organization or a person. So if your site represents a person, you want to click on person. If your site represents an organization, you want to click on organization. And when you click on this, they're going to show you a place where you will upload your website picture, like a logo, and put a name of your website. Then you want to go to next. You want to come to search visibility. You want to make sure this is checked. Search engine should show posts in search results. You have to check this. Then search engine should show pages in search results. You want to check this as well. Then go to number 5. Then does my website have multiple authors? This is up to you. Now if your website uses multiple authors, you have different people that are writing content for your website, you want to click on yes. But if you're the only one doing the content writing, then of course there's no harm in clicking on no. Then move on to the next one, Google Search Console. Now you want to go ahead and click on get authentication code from Google. Now when you click on this is going to load on a new window, I believe. Then you are going to sign in with your Google account, where you're going to select an account that you have already added on Google. Now I'm not going to cover that on this video, but before Yoast can be able to authorize your website from Google, you must have added your website on Google. And to do that, let me just show you. You go to Google. You can go to Google and type Google Webmaster. Just type Google Webmaster. Then you hit enter. Okay, then you want to click on the first link that comes up, which is this, to go to Google Webmaster, and you want to click on sign in. So you want to sign in. So once you sign in, you're going to see the list of websites you've added on Google. All right, you're going to see them here. So you want to come here and select all the websites you've added on Google, or the list of websites you have on Google added. So you click on that. Then after that, Google is I thought that shouldn't come. Now this is showing because I've already added this. So if you want to add for the first time, you click on this. Then you want to come down and click on click again. You want to click on add property. So you click on add property. Then Google provided with 2 options, but I prefer using this one. So you click on URL prefix. You enter the name of your website. Click on continue. Once you do that, Google will show you a kind of a HTML file that starts with Google and some bunch of numbers that goes along with it. So what you have to do at that screen is to just let me just add a random website. I'm going to add a random website here. So just say http maybe example.com. Let me just do this to show you. So you want to click on this, then Google will bring this asking to verify ownership of the website. So what you have to do here, you want to click on this, download this file. So once you download this file, then you upload it to your website home directory. Okay, then once you do that, you come back here. In fact, you have to leave this window open, come back to your website and upload this to your either via cPanel or maybe file manager on WordPress. Then just make sure you get this file uploaded to the root directory of your website. Once that is done, you want to come back here and click on verify. So when you click on verify, Google will verify your website, and once that is done, then it will be added to the list of websites that you have here. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on remove property because this is just a demo website here. I don't need it. Okay, so back to Yoast. So once you do that, then you come to the next step. When you come to the next step, on the next step, all you have to do is to just click on next. Just if you want to use title separator as this, you can do that, but I like mine as just the dash there. Then newsletter, all of this from here is just yours trying to tell you to sign up for the newsletter. Then this is what my videos they have that might teach you more about how to use their plugin, and after that you're good to go. Alright, so I'll go back. I'm going to close this window and come back to my website here. So once you do this, the next thing you want to do is to submit your sitemap to Google. So you want to click on, I think, webmaster not okay, features or thereabouts, and click on features. You want to come to sitemap, SMS sitemap. You want to click on this question mark. Once you click on that, this shows up. Then you want to click on see the SMS sitemap. Then this will come up. Then what you have to do here is to copy this section and come back to your Google search console. You want to click on the particular property. Okay, then you want to click on sitemaps. Then what you want to do here, you see this section here, just paste it there. Alright, not that, just copy this section, only this section, this stuff here is what you want to copy, and you want to paste it in this particular section here. That's all. Then you hit submit, and Google will of course authenticate it, and your site will start. We have to be in fact the indexing of your website will actually start by Google. Alright, so that is that. So after you must have done this, the next thing you want to do is how now you have to start optimizing your home page and optimize your other pages or the post page. Any post you post, you can also optimize that utilizing the power of the Yoast SEO. In fact, in the market, this is the best SEO plugin. I'm not trying to promote Yoast, but over years I've found this plugin to be very nice and very good, and is worth the every penny that you might spend in getting the premium version of the plugin. So I will go to my home page very quickly and just click on pages, over all pages, and come to pages. So I want to optimize the home page. So let's see if the home page is optimized with Yoast. These are the first thing I want to do. Optimizing the home page. So I want to scroll down. I want to click on my home page, which is this. I'm going to click on edit. So I'll click on edit. Alright, then the next thing I'm going to do after the page finish loading, I'm going to wait for the page to load. Then I'll go ahead and optimize. Okay, well, let's wait for the page to finish loading. Okay, so now once the page finish loading, you're going to scroll down to the bottom of your page. Scroll down to the bottom of your page, then you see this. So this is Yoast SEO Premium, and this is giving you a snippet of how your website is going to display on Google. Alright, this is a snippet preview of your site on Google. So if you search this website, you're going to see something of this nature. Then of course you're going to see the description. Okay, now the next thing you want to do here, as you can see, Yoast is telling us, in fact, the readability is okay, and here you have SEO not available. Okay, so we want to optimize the website, the home page now. So you scroll down. Okay, then you want to click on this. So I love clicking on this. So I click on it, then this opens. You have SEO title, you have the slug, and the meta description. So anything you type here, you're going to see the preview at this section here. So in fact, I like to take away everything here and write things I want to write myself. So I want to write latest political in Nigeria. Then I like to put this sign, the pipe sign. Then I have the name of the website. My Niger Press. Okay. Okay, get latest and trending political news in Nigeria. My Niger Press. Okay. 24 hours. Seven days. Alright, now you want to make sure I want to see this 247. Get latest and trending political news in Nigeria. And Niger Press. Okay, let's take this away. Okay, nigerpress.com.ng. Alright, so now what you want to do is you want to make sure that this line does not, like if I keep typing anything here, like I wanted to type 247 before, you see this line, once this line changes to this particular red color, then this is a bad SEO title. So you want to make sure that you keep it at green, even if the green bar does not get to the end, but let it just show the green bar. Alright, so now the slug, you can start typing. It's what shows at this section. Say we bring you latest and trending political news. Trending news on Nigeria politics. So this is fine. Okay. Alright. The meta description, you can say my Niger Press .ng is one of Nigeria's trusted websites. Accurate, okay, on Nigeria politics is Nigeria's trusted website, accurate, latest quality news on Nigerian politics. I want to say and around the world. Alright, so I think this is okay. So let's move on to see what else we can optimize. Now if we come to the readability analysis, we have this transition words. None of the sentence contains transition words. We have passive voice. So 30% of the sentence contains passive voice, which is more than the recommended of 10%. So I want to highlight. Okay. I remove highlights from the tests. Okay, I think we're going to come back to that in a jiffy. Let's just scroll down to see what we can do for our SEO to work. So we are looking at the focus keyword here. Focus keyword. So let's say politics. Political. Looking for the word. This needs to show green. Okay. We need to say what's going on. Key phrase is log. Part of the key phrase does not appear in this log. Okay. So we'll bring you latest and trending. Quality. Okay. Trying to get this thing. Trying to get this thing to show us a green. Test length. The test length contains 49 words. This is probably recommended. Test length. This phrase in title does that match of the key phrase title but not appearing at the beginning. At the key phrase there's SEO title. So political news in Nigeria. Latex. Okay. So we have our SEO now showing okay, but we need to okay. I think from here, I think we are good to go. But the reason why this is not showing green yet is because we don't have, in our content here, we don't have anything showing us anything like political news in Nigeria. If you check on the home page, you won't find it. Alright, the home page is not there. So if you have content on the home page, that talks about political news in Nigeria, I believe we are going to have that showing green. Okay, we're going to have that showing green, but unfortunately we don't have anything of such, so that is why. But at least to this level, SEO is okay. Alright, but in the next video, probably as time goes on, I'm going to do another video where at least I'm going to show you how you can really make that, get this thing to display you a green. It is better off than having it this particular orange of being okay. If it shows good, when it shows green, then you have good, okay, turn into good here. And to achieve that, it's very easy, but I can't do it right now. You have to look for a place in this your home page, where you can add anything like political news in Nigeria. So let's see if we do that, if it's going to work. Actually, let's try this. Let's see what. Let us update. Let's just update. So let's update political news in Nigeria. Something like this. See. Let us update on political news in Nigeria. So I think we need enough. We need more of that. We need to have added more of that for this to actually work. Alright. Some reason that is not turning. See, no outbound links appear in the page. Image auto appears. Test length content controls. This is far. That's just the issue we have right now, because you don't have enough text on the page that will depict what you are looking for as a focus keyword. So it doesn't matter. At least to this extent, we have done a good job by at least having our SEO to show okay and the ability to be okay as well. So from here, we can okay this page. Alright, so we can okay this page. You have done. Please, you have done a good job here. You have optimized this to an extent. Alright, so another thing, let's just save this and see what we have. Okay, so from the gray, remember this was showing gray before. From the gray of this home page, I've gotten it to display orange, which means at least you have gotten to a good level of our on page SEO optimization on our home page. Alright, so next is how to optimize posts. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your posts on WordPress, and probably later on we'll also come back and see if we can add more content on this home page to get this SEO score, alright, to give us a green. So we're going to see how we will do that on the next video as well. Okay, so there's any other thing I need to cover for this video? Okay, so I believe I've covered everything I need to cover for this particular section. So just watch out for the next video where we do some more justice to SEO, optimizing your post, and every other important SEO technique that I might need to know in this particular tutorial. So thank you very much for watching. I am Okere Gospel Kelsey, and of course I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.